and we are wondering our students are supposed to report, because the principal has not told us as members of the board when the school will actually open. This is actually an issue for us. We are not taking it lightly, because the students in this school belong to this country and they need to be given an opportunity to compete favorably with the in Kenya as a whole.
Sasa hivi wanafunzi wanakwenda shuleni, wengine walienda juzi, but there's no single student that we have found on this compound. The grass is overgrown, there is vandalism all over, and one really wonders, is this a school that is prepared to open this term? Ama hii ni shule ambayo ilisahaulika miaka 10 iliyopita. We will make a formal petition to the Ministry of Education and the Teachers Service Commission to suspend the principal with immediate effect and carry out investigations on the allegations raised.
Ekwero ere au gumania na arimu maumite bũrũri wa Italy rĩu nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkinya igoti